In recent months, a strong new type of artificial intelligence has emerged and captivated the public's attention: text-to-image AI. You'll be able to generate unique, high-quality graphics in seconds using it, and all you'll need is your imagination and a single statement. While not every AI text-to-art generator is accurate, there are several ways you can experiment with or use frequently to demonstrate your originality. Here are 16 tested ways of converting your text inputs to imaginative wonders. Number 1. DALL-E 2. DALL-E 2 is one of the best AI picture generating systems created by OpenAI to assist you in creating realistic digital art from a textual description in natural language. You don't need an artistic experience or technical abilities to utilize this AI art tool because it has an easy-to-use image model. DALL-E 2's paintbrush is one of its standout features. You can use it to highlight an area of your image, offer a text description of the modifications you wish to make to the shot, and then sit back as the tool performs the necessary changes. Number 2. Midjourney. Midjourney is another excellent AI text-to-image production application that uses machine learning to generate AI-generated artwork from words. This AI painting tool is simple to use, and it even has a beginning section where you can learn everything you need to know to create your first AI image in minutes. To use Midjourney, go to their official website and join up for an official waiting list. Once accepted, you'll be prompted to join a Discord server to have access to the tool. You can then enter your image description into the software's Imagine prompt within the Discord bot. The bot in Discord will generate AI graphics based on your text description. Number 3. DeepAI. DeepAI has everything you need to have your art ready in minutes. The image generator interprets and understands your words before transforming them into unique graphics using artificial intelligence. DeepAI can be used to create artificial intelligence art such as 3D images, abstract paintings, surreal visuals, 3D origami-style characters, and logos. DeepAI is distinguished by its API integration, which allows organizations and developers to integrate it into their software projects. Number 4. Jasper Art. Jasper Art is a game-changer and a groundbreaking tool that uses artificial intelligence to make great artwork and photos depending on your input. This one-of-a-kind AI image generator enables you to experiment with various art styles to find out what works best for you. To generate art using this application, you provide a prompt expressing the image in your thoughts. Following that, you must choose a style, such as illustration or 3D rendering, to enhance your creative expression. Jasper AI will then read your question and create 4 amazing photos in a matter of seconds. You only need to sign up for the tool to begin making your favorite photographs. Number 5. StarryAI. StarryAI is a sophisticated image generator that generates breathtaking images from scratch. The tool generates 2D and 3D graphics and includes various preset choices. Depending on your preferences, StarryAI can provide realistic or cartoonish results. Users can select from a variety of art styles including modern, anime, and comic book style graphics. This generator features a simple interface that makes it simple to use right away. Number 6. Photosonic. Photosonic is a one-of-a-kind web-based AI art generator that uses deep learning algorithms and text-to-image AI models to automatically generate art and photos based on your written description. Photosonic can be used to create a variety of images, including 3D images, illustrations, creative images, and photorealistic photos. You need to sign up for a free account and log in with your credentials to utilize this AI art tool. Then enter your text description and hit the Create button while still on the main interface. You may save your AI photographs to a gallery, download them, or share them on social media. Number 7. Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion, also known as Dream Studio, uses an image creation model to generate visuals from text in seconds. The platform also provides you with an API key, which allows you to generate photos in external apps. Even though Stable Diffusion is still in its early stages, its photos are unrivaled and astounding. Also, the AI art tool includes an easy-to-use interface that allows you to create almost any image kind. To begin, go to the Stable Diffusion website and create a free account. After logging in, you can enter a text prompt to generate your chosen AI images. You may use this AI image generator to create graphics, logos, 3D models, and photographic photos. NightCafe has a text-to-art generator tool that allows you to do a lot on one platform. With its various AI art generation algorithms, the software has virtually limitless possibilities. You can utilize its text-to-image AI to create artwork from a text prompt, or you can employ neural style transfer to turn current photographs into masterpieces. Simply upload the image to the app and let NightCafe work its magic to convert it to AI art. Number 9. Maze Guru. Maze Guru enables you to create digital artwork quickly. You may easily turn your ideas into original artworks by using a text prompt. Users can change the art style model and utilize text descriptions to turn their ideas into artwork. Maze Guru also has a large selection of strong anime models. You can make your own anime character out of text or photographs and enjoy the delight of being unique, creative, and unlimited. Number 10. CRAIYON. CRAIYON was designed by software programmer Boris Dama and was originally known as DALL-E Mini. The AI text-to-image generator uses artificial intelligence to generate graphics in a matter of seconds. CRAIYON is used by experts all over the world to make visuals for research papers and presentations, including journalists, designers, and scientists. Thousands of works of art are analyzed by the software's algorithm. It then generates new parts based on the findings. Users can also use the program to submit and analyze their own photographs. Number 11. Deep Dream Generator. Deep Dream Generator has a suite of AI-powered content creation tools. Its text-to-dream technology employs artificial intelligence, deep learning, stable diffusion, and a text-to-image model to generate lifelike visuals and breathtaking art from a text prompt or a collection of text prompts. You may also use the sophisticated Deep Dream tool to produce graphics based on the base image in the input. The AI program uses its own judgment to determine a painting style that corresponds to the photo you've submitted. Number 12. Dream by WOMBO. Dream by WOMBO can teach you how to make realistic portraits and one-of-a-kind paintings. This AI photo generator includes a dream booth, which allows you to capture all of your creative moments and make realistic objects and people in any location. Aside from that, Dream may convert your existing images into fake paintings and cartoons, and it can employ a complicated algorithm to transform phrases and words into extraordinary pieces of art. As an added bonus, this AI tool allows you to access to a wide choice of art styles, including realistic, futuristic, analog, paint, and comic, guaranteeing you get exactly what you want. You submit a text prompt, choose an art style, and receive your works in seconds. Number 13. ARTBREEDER. ARTBREEDER is a key player in the field of AI art generation. This AI picture generation platform uses machine learning and AI to generate a large number of image variations based on a collection of beginning photos. The Remix tool, which allows you to combine photos, apply new styles, and use them as your own, is one of its best features. You can also mix photos, modify their genes, and have fun with your new interesting creations with ARTBREEDER's Splicer. Number 14. RUNWAYML. RUNWAYML creates museum-quality photos by combining machine learning and text-to-image algorithms. You may also use this program to build 3D models and animations. Once you have created an image, you can delete and alter pieces of it to create a masterpiece. Furthermore, if you want to make some adjustments to your AI image, you can do so by simply typing in a text detailing the changes that need to be made. You can use this AI picture production tool to create a single image or a batch of up to 100 images at a time. Number 15. NeuroLove. NeuroLove has been in business since 2020 and continues to provide its users with cutting-edge AI art tools. The platform offers a completely automated cloud-based solution, allowing anyone to access media processing via API, the web, and custom business applications. Compared to other popular AI art generators that depend on text-to-image conversion, NeuroLove includes a built-in prompt generator, which eliminates the requirement for prompt engineering abilities. Furthermore, this software employs cutting-edge AI technology to enhance, zoom, and upgrade the quality of your AI images. Its sophisticated upscale feature enhances the resolution of your images by adding realistic and natural details. Furthermore, the upscale function allows you to handle many photographs at the same time. Number 16. HOTPOT AI. HOTPOT allows you to achieve a lot on a single platform, from making photos and graphics to creating beautiful paintings. The app employs a text-to-image AI algorithm to bring your photographs and artistic works to life. The AI headshot generator is one of its distinguishing qualities. You can also use this function to generate glamour photographs and headshots of yourself in any scene or style. You can use the created photos as avatars, profile pictures, and other purposes. All the images you make are saved privately in HOTPOT's AI art gallery, where you can access them at any time.